everyone. Welcome to our podcast, Easy English Talks. I'm Farnaz, and I'm so happy you're here today. We have a fun topic, future plans in English. Want to learn English and have fun? Subscribe now to get new episodes every week. It's free and it helps you practice.
Hi everyone, I'm Iman. Yes, subscribe, and you'll love our talks. Today we're talking about what we want to do in the future. Things like tomorrow, next month, or even next year. It's exciting to plan, right?
Yes, I love planning. Future plans are things you think about doing later. For example, I can say, tomorrow I will go to the park with my friends. That's a plan for the future. In English, we use simple words like will to talk about it. Iman, can you explain will a little?
Sure, Farnaz. Will is a word we use when we talk about the future. It's easy to use. For example, I say, I will visit my family this weekend. It means I decided to do it. You just say I will, and then add what you want to do. It's simple and clear for beginners.
Thanks, Iman. That's a good explanation. Let's share some of our plans. Iman, what will you do next weekend? Tell us a little more about it.
Next weekend, I will go to my parents' house. I'm excited because we will eat dinner together. My mom cooks delicious food, like rice and chicken. I will also play games with my brother. We always laugh a lot. What about you, Farnaz? What will you do?
That sounds fun. For me, next weekend, I will stay home and read a new book. It's about animals because I love animals. I will sit on my sofa, drink tea, and read all day. It's relaxing. Also, I will call my friend to talk about the book.
Reading is great, Farnaz. It helps you learn new English words, too. Listeners, think about your weekend plans. Maybe you will watch a movie or visit a friend. Try saying it in English, like, I will go to the park.
Yes, practice is important. Another way to talk about future plans is going to, for example, I can say, I am going to buy a new phone next month. It's a plan I'm thinking about now. Iman, what's the difference between will and going to?
Good question. Will is for decisions you make now or promises. Like, if someone asks me to help, I say, I will help you. But going to is for plans you already have in your mind. For example, I am going to learn guitar next month. I already decided it, and I'm ready to start.
That's clear. So, for example, if I suddenly decide I will eat pizza tonight, that's will. But if I planned it yesterday, I say I am going to eat pizza tonight. Right?
Exactly. You got it. Let's talk about bigger plans now. Farnaz, what's a big plan you have for next month or next year?
Next month, I am going to start a new job. I will work in a clothing shop. I'm excited because I love fashion. I will help customers find nice clothes, and I will learn how to talk to people in English. It's a little scary, but I'm ready to try.
That's amazing, Farnaz. A new job is exciting. For me, next month, I am going to take guitar lessons. I always wanted to play music. I will practice every evening after work. I hope I can play a song for my friends soon.
I love that. Playing music is so cool. Listeners, if you're enjoying this podcast, please subscribe now. It's free and you get new episodes to practice your English. Tell your friends too.
Yes, subscribing helps you learn with us every week. Okay, let's continue. Farnaz, what about plans for next year? Big dreams?
Next year, I am going to travel to a new city. Maybe London or Paris. I want to see new places, eat new foods, and practice my English with people there. I will save money every month for this trip. It's my big dream.
Wow, traveling is awesome. London has cool places like Big Ben. For me, next year, I will save money to buy a car. I want a small car to drive to work and visit places. It's expensive, so I will work hard and save every week.
A car is useful. You can go anywhere. Let's teach our listeners how to talk about saving money. You can say, I will save money for a car, or I am going to save $10 every week.
Yes, simple sentences like that are perfect. Listeners, try it. Say, I will save money for and add your dream. Maybe a phone, a trip, or a new bag. Practice it now.
Good idea. Let's talk about daily plans too. Tomorrow, I am going to wake up early. I will walk my dog in the park, then go to a cafe and drink coffee. I like starting my day like that. What about you, Iman?
Tomorrow, I will go to work in the morning. After work, I am going to cook dinner at home. I will make rice and vegetables. It's healthy and I like cooking. Then, I will watch a movie to relax.
Sounds nice. Cooking is fun. Let's talk about holiday plans. For example, for New Year, I am going to have a party with my friends. We will dance, eat cake, and watch fireworks. It's always so happy.
I love New Year. I will visit my family. We will eat a big meal together and talk about the year. I am going to buy gifts for everyone too. Maybe books or chocolates. What do you think, Farnaz?
Gifts are a great idea. Books are good for learning. Listeners, what will you do for the next holiday? Try saying, I will, or I am going to, and add your plan. Welcome back. We're talking about future plans. If you love learning English with us, subscribe now. It's easy and you'll get every episode to practice more.
Yes, join our podcast family. Okay, let's talk about dream plans. Big dreams for the future. Farnaz, what's your dream for 5 years from now?
In 5 years, I am going to be a teacher. I want to teach English to kids. I will help them learn words, read stories, and speak. It's a big job, but I love helping people. I am going to study hard to make this happen.
That's beautiful, Farnaz. Teaching is important. For me, in 5 years, I will own a small house. I want a garden with flowers and a place to relax. I am going to save money and work hard to buy it. Maybe I'll have a dog too.
A house with a garden sounds so nice. I can visit and bring my dog. Let's talk about learning plans. I am going to practice English every day. I will watch English videos, read simple books, and talk to my friends in English.
Great plan. I will learn English too. I am going to listen to English songs and try to understand the words. Also, I will write a small diary in English every night. It helps me remember new words.
Writing is a good idea. Listeners, you can try that too. Write one sentence every day like, today I will eat fruit. It's easy and helps you learn.
Yes, small steps make you better. Let's talk about fun plans. Farnaz, what fun thing will you do soon?
This month, I am going to go to a concert with my friends. We will listen to music, dance, and sing. I love music because it makes me happy. I will wear my favorite dress too.
Concerts are so fun. I will go hiking with my brother next week. We will walk in the mountains, see trees, and take photos. It's good exercise, and I like nature.
Hiking is great. You feel strong after. Let's talk about health plans. I am going to exercise 3 times a week. I will do yoga at home. It's relaxing and good for my body.
Nice. I will go to the gym. I am going to lift weights and run. I want to be healthy and strong. Also, I will eat more vegetables like carrots and broccoli.
Healthy food is important. Listeners, try saying, I will eat healthy food, or I am going to exercise. These are good plans for everyone.
Yes, health is number one. Now, let's talk about family plans. I will call my parents every Sunday. We talk about life, and it makes me happy. I am going to visit them more often too.
That's sweet. I will spend time with my sister. We are going to watch movies and cook together. She makes funny jokes, so we always laugh. Family time is special.
It really is. Okay, let's talk about work plans. At my job, I will learn new skills. I am going to take a computer course to get better at my work. It will help me in the future.
Good idea. At my new job, I will talk to costumers in English. I am going to practice saying, hello, can I help you? It's scary, but I will try my best. I want to be good at my job.
You'll be great, Farnaz. Listeners, what's a work plan for you? Maybe I will write emails, or I am going to meet my boss.
Yes, practice those sentences. English is easy when you try small things every day. We're back. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe. It's free and you'll learn English with us every week. Click that button now.
Yes, don't wait. Okay, let's talk about travel dreams. Farnaz, where do you want to travel in the future?
I dream of going to Italy. I am going to visit Rome and eat pizza and pasta. I will walk in old streets and see beautiful buildings. I'll practice English with tourists there too. It's my big travel dream.
Italy sounds amazing. I will go to Canada one day. I want to see snow mountains and lakes. I am going to take a long trip, maybe 2 weeks. I will learn new English words there, like snow and lake.
That's a cool plan. Let's talk about hobbies. I am going to start painting. I will buy colors and draw pictures of flowers. It's fun, and I can give my paintings to friends.
Painting is creative. I will try photography. I am going to buy a camera and take pictures of nature, like trees and birds. I will share them with my family. It's a fun way to see the world.
I love that. Let's talk about helping others. I will volunteer at an animal shelter. I am going to feed dogs and cats. It makes me happy to help animals.
That's kind, Farnaz. I will help my community. I am going to clean the park near my house. I want it to be nice for everyone. I will work with friends to make it fun.
Great idea. Listeners, try saying, I will help my friends, or I am going to volunteer. Helping feels good.
Yes, it does. Now, let's talk about technology plans. I will buy a new laptop next year. I am going to use it for work and to learn English online. It will make things easier.
Laptops are useful. I will learn to use a new app. It's for learning English words. I am going to practice every day and get better. Technology helps us learn.
It does. Okay, one last topic. Home plans. I am going to clean my house this weekend. I will organize my room and wash dishes. A clean house feels good?
Yes, it does. I will decorate my home. I am going to buy new curtains and plants. My home will look pretty, and I'll feel happy there.
Nice. Listeners, what's your home plan? Maybe I will clean my room, or I am going to buy a new lamp.
Practice those sentences. Okay, Iman, let's end with one big future dream.
In 10 years, I will have a small business, maybe a cafe. I am going to sell coffee and cakes. People will come, talk, and enjoy. It's my dream to make people happy.
I love that. In 10 years, I will travel the world. I am going to visit many countries, learn their languages, and make new friends. I will write a book about my travels too.
Amazing, Farnaz. Listeners, what's your big dream? Say it in English. In 10 years, I will.
Yes, try it. We learned a lot today. We used will and going to for future plans. We talked about daily plans, big dreams, and everything in between.
Practice makes you better. Thank you for listening, everyone. If you loved this, subscribe now. It's free, and you'll get new episodes to learn English.
Yes, subscribe and tell your friends. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.